Grade 5. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to your mathematics online lecture number 20th, and today we are going to do page number 57 and a few questions of page number 58. And in these pages we are going to find out the prime factors by using division method. Question number 1 is find the prime factors of these numbers using the division method. Then check your answers. After finding the prime factors, we are going to we are going to check the answer. Either it's correct or not. The first one is 156. And I hope you know this method or you have done this in grade 4 as well. And it's 156, 2 sevens are 14. We will take the smallest value. We will start with the smallest one. And what you are going to check, you have to just see that the value should be the same or the smallest one. And we will take carry to the next value, as we know that 2 8s are 16 and 2 7s are 14. So 14 is lesser than 15 and 16 is greater than 15. So we will use 14 and we'll take 1 carry. 2 7s are 14 and we had taken 1 carry. It's 2 8s are 16. And again, if we move to the next one, there is no value like 78, and we will like do this like 2 3s are 6, and again we will take 1 as carry, and it will be 18, and 2 9s are 18. Then again we need to move the further to the next one. It's 39, 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9, क्योंकि 3 के 2 के तो मल्टीपल्स में ये आता ही नहीं है, तो हम क्या करेंगे 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. तो 13 उसके बाद अपने ही टेबल में जाता है या उसी पे डिविजिबल है, उसी का मल्टीपल है, तो इट विल बी द सेम. अब जब आपने चेक कैसे करना है इसको, द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 156 आर 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 13. इनको मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे हम, लाइक 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 13s are 156. ठीक है. Its B part is 475 and we have to take the last digit, that is 5, and we know that it will be divided by 5 only. So let's start with 5 9s are 45. We will take 4 as carry. Again 5 5s are 25, क्योंकि 45 47 2 difference आया हमारे पास. We will write or we will take it as carry. The next will be 25. तो क्या आ जाएगा 5 5s are 25. And in the next step it will be divided by 5. 5 1s are 5 and 5 9s are 45. And what are the factors of these? 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 19. 5 5s are क्या होता है 25 and 25 19s are 475. And its question number 2 is use brackets to help you. Like they have given us the value and we are अपनी कोशिश करनी है कि 10 का एक कॉलम में ज़रूर बनाएं, as they have mentioned this in the book. ठीक है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, we will take the first and the last one value and we'll use the mid two values. It's 2 multiplied by 7 and 2 multiplied by 5. 2 5s are 10 and 2 7s are 14. And if we are going to multiply these two values, we will get 140. Question number 3 is write HCF of, they have given us the 3 values and we have to find out the HCF. HCF is, you need to remember highest common factor. ठीक है, common factors जितने भी निकलेंगे, you have to take the highest value. Let's move to the next to the question, that is 38 16 and 14. 2 19s are 38, 2 8s are 16 and 2 7s are 14. and you can see that we have a single common factor, that is 2. इसमें हमारे पास वो कंपैरिजन के लिए तो वैल्यूज़ नंबर्स हैं ही नहीं कि हम हाई और स्मॉलेस्ट को देखें. वी हैव जस्ट अ सिंगल वैल्यू एंड दैट इज़ द HCF. Come to its B part, that is 27, 54 and 18. अब 27 कैसे आया, उसकी हम उसके फैक्टर्स बनाएंगे. 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. ठीक है. जैसे एलसीएम को फाइंड करने का जो डिवीजन मेथड यूज़ होता है, यू कैन यूज़ दैट वन. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ 54. इट्स 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 2s are 54. And the next one is prime factors of 18. These are 3 3s are 9 and 9 2s are 18. Now match up the values or compare the values. Like we have to take the common factors. In the first one, we can see there we have 3 in all these values. On the second, if you see, you can see there is again 3 in all these numbers. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास 2 आ गए यहाँ पर common factors. And we will multiply these to get HCF. This will be 3 3s are 9. Question number 4. Break these pairs of numbers into their prime factors. Then find their HCF and LCM. Now we have to find the both HCF and LCM. So to find the prime factors, we will use this method. Like 2 3s are 6, 64 and 148 है ना. तो 64 के पहले prime factors देखते हैं हम. सबसे पहले आपने स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू से स्टार्ट करना है. तो 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. अब 32 जो है हमारे पास, 2 में 3 तो आता नहीं है. वी विल टेक 2 1s are 2 और 1 कैरी चला जाएगा. इट विल बी 2 6s are 12. 2 नेक्स्ट हो जाएगा 2 8s are 16, देन 2 4s are 8, देन 2 2s are 4 और 2 रह जाएगा हमारे पास. On the other side, it's 148. तो 14 2 के टेबल में आता है. It's 2 7s are 14 and 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. ठीक है. और 37 को हम सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकते. उसके बाद हम दोनों के फैक्टर्स लिख लेंगे. लाइक फैक्टर्स ऑफ 64 क्या आ जाएंगे हमारे पास. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 again 2 and again 2. And on the other side, it will be 2 2 and 37. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 37. ठीक है. अब HCF का तो हमें पता है कि कैसे फाइंड करना है भाई. कॉमन फैक्टर जो है वो दैट इज गोना बी द HCF. ठीक है. सो द कॉमन फैक्टर्स आर 2 and 2. हम दोनों वैल्यूज़ को कंपेयर करेंगे. वी विल have 2 and 2 common factors. ठीक है. वो हमारा क्या हो जाएगा. HCF 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. LCM का फॉर्मूला क्या होगा. HCF का जो हमारे पास आंसर है दैट इज़ गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई रेस्ट ऑफ द फैक्टर्स. जितने बाकी फैक्टर्स हमारे रह गए जो कॉमन नहीं है उससे हम उनको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. तो LCM इक्वल्स टू क्या हो जाएगा 4 जो हमारा HCF आया है एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द वैल्यूज़ आर 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and 2 अगेन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 37. तो इन सबको आपने मल्टीप्लाई करना है. मल्टीप्लाई कैसे होगा. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. देन 8 multiplied by 2 equals to 16. 16 multiplied by 2 equals 32. 32 multiplied by 2 is equals to 64. And 64 multiplied by 37 equals to 2368. ठीक है. Its B part is 27 and 130. We will again find the prime factors by this method. Like 27 के factors क्या हो जाएंगे. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. और 130 के 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So what are the prime factors of 27? 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and 130 के हमारे पास क्या हो जाएंगे. It is 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 13. 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 13. Its factors are 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 13. Can you see any common factor here? No, there is not any. So we are going to take HCF as 1 and LCM क्या होगा. हम सारे factors को multiply कर देंगे. ठीक है. टोटल फैक्टर्स जो हमारे दोनों वैल्यूज़ के हैं उन दोनों को लिखकर मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो वी विल गेट 3510. Try to solve these questions by your own self, please, and remember the rules. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.